Hello everyone, I am Sanina from GZTECH. In response to the change in the demand for deep engraving of hardware, we have developed a single pulse-wise and cost-effective high-power GLE pulse fiber laser with a power of up to 200 watts based on the MOPA electronic control technology platform. The GLE series laser adopts an all-fiber system with a compact structure and easy installation. The parameters are simple and clear, easy to debug. The newly upgraded product appearance uses an open mold structure, small size, excellent dust-proof, white shell, simple and elegant. A new version of the noise reduction fan. Intelligent operation has lower noise. The standard MOPA high-speed electronic control hardware has strong single anti-interference and anti-static capabilities, and also has high-speed switch LED response and power switch response speed. GLE high-power laser adopts a specially shaped pulse waveform. By optimizing the optical scheme, the single pulse energy is 1.5 millijoule. The beam quality is less than 1.8, and the frequency range is 5 to 200 kHz. The YFPN 200 GLE pulsed fiber laser introduced this time has an average power of 200 watts, a maximum single pulse energy of up to 1.5 millijoule, a frequency range of 5 to 200 kHz, and a built-in red LED. It has the characteristics of high-cost performance, simple debugging, and stable performance. So, what is the deep penetration performance of GLE 200 watts? We arranged for craftsmen to use 200 watts GLE to conduct tests on stainless steel, carbon steel, brass, and aluminum materials. Let's take a look at the deep driving effect. We first conducted a deep engraving test on stainless steel. Stainless steel is one of the most commonly used materials in metal products. There are many demands for engraving characters or patterns of a center, dips on stainless steel. After testing, GLE 200 watts uses a frequency of 1090 kHz, a power of 90%, a speed of 2000 mm per second, a filling spacing of 0.05, a positive defect of 0. mm, and an engraving of 1 mm depth. The finished product has few burrs on the surface, fine shading, uniform depth, and a removal efficiency of 40 cubic millimeter per minute. Then conduct an aluminum deep engraving test. Aluminum is relatively soft and easy to remove. Using a larger single pulse energy has a higher removal rate. The operating frequency is 135 kHz. The power is 90%. The speed is 2000 mm per second. The filling spacing is 0.04. And the finished product with a depth of 1 mm has few burrs on the surface, fine shading, uniform depth, and the removal efficiency can reach 107 cubic millimeter per minute. After that, we conducted a brass deep engraving test. Copper has a low absorption rate of 1064 nanometer in field laser, and its insufficient power density can easily cause high reflection arms in the laser, or even burn out the internal optical pace of the laser. The GLE 200 watts beam has good quality, and is easy to focus on a small pole. The energy density reaches the damage through source of copper, and cause damage to the material surface. It can greatly improve the absorption rate during material processing and is less likely to cause high reflection. In addition, GLE 200 watts is also equipped with a highly insulated insulator, which can completely filter reflected light and protect the normal operation of the laser. It has been tested that GLE 200 watts operates at a frequency of 135 kHz, a power of 90%, a speed of 2000 mm per second, and a filling pitch of 0.04. The deep engraving efficiency is fast, the impact is good, and the removal efficiency is 43 cubic millimeter per minute. Finally, we conducted a carbon steel deep engraving test. Carbon steel has the characteristics of high hardness, and it is difficult to engrave depth using conventional engraving methods. The high energy density of the laser can heat the material to several thousands of degrees Celsius in a short time, directly vaporizing the material, and there are no consumables in the engraving process. Laser deep engraving is an ideal processing method for carbon steel engraving. It has been tested that GLE 200 watts operates at a frequency of 190 kHz, a power of 90%, a speed of 4000 mm per second, a filling pitch of 0.04, and an engraving of 1 mm depth. The surface of the finished product is almost bore-free, with very fine shading and uniform depth, but the removal efficiency is only 21 cubic millimeter per minute. Laser can carry out deep engraving on steel, aluminum, copper, and other metals. If efficiency is not considered, no matter how deep it is, it can be achieved. However, in actual production, due to the requirements of production reason, the requirements for efficiency are often relatively high. The higher the power, the faster the efficiency, and the higher equipment cost. According to the needs, select appropriate power for deep engraving so that the equipment has the best cost performance. We use the GLE lasers of different powers to compare the deep engraving efficiency of stainless steel, aluminum, and copper, and obtained the following relationship diagram between laser power and deep engraving efficiency. In general, GLE high-power laser can achieve deep engraving of stainless steel, carbon steel, aluminum, and copper materials. Aluminum has the fastest efficiency and carbon steel has the slowest efficiency. The engraving efficiency is related to the laser power and the engraving material. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions about laser deep engraving technology, please feel free to leave a message in the comment area and we will be happy to answer you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.